When you're on a paid plan, we'll renew your subscription automatically at your next billing date, so you don't lose any of your paid features. We call this auto-renew. By default, auto-renew is enabled for all paid plans, but you can easily toggle between enabled and disabled whenever you'd like. When your plan renews, you'll either be auto-charged or sent an invoice. How you're billed depends on how you pay. To check how you pay, click your username and then click My Account. Go to Billing Details and scroll down to the Payment Information section to see if you're paying by invoice or a Pay Now method like credit card. If you don't see invoice as your payment method, it means you use a Pay Now method. When your auto-renew is enabled, you'll be charged automatically at your next billing date, so make sure any billing details are up to date beforehand using the Edit tab. If you pay by invoice, we won't charge you automatically at your next renewal. Instead, we'll email you an invoice 45 days before your next billing date. You can also find your invoice under the Transaction History tab. On the invoice, we list the different payment methods available and instructions on how to pay for your renewal. If you don't want to be auto-charged, or you don't need your paid features, you can disable auto-renew whenever you want. Just head over to the Billing Details tab. The auto-renew setting is right at the top of the page in the Billing Profile section. If your auto-renew is enabled and you'd like to cancel it, that's alright. Click Cancel and you'll see a little pop-up window with more information. If you're happy with that, click Cancel Auto-Renew and you're done. The changes will be reflected in your billing profile and your plan won't be renewed again. Instead, you'll be downgraded to the free plan on your next billing date. When you do downgrade, we don't delete any of your data, but since you'll be switched to the free plan, you won't have access to paid features like downloading your data. So if you have a change of heart, you can always upgrade again. And everything will return to how it was before.